If you've ever wondered how to find Telegram groups quickly and easily, this video will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're looking for communities about photography, coding help, local news, business, gaming, or any other interest, Telegram makes it simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer, or if you prefer, log into Telegram Web using your browser. Both options work well, so choose whichever one is easier for you. Once Telegram loads, look at the top left corner of the window. You'll see the search bar there, and that is where we're going to begin. Click inside the search bar so you can type your query. Now enter keywords related to the kind of group you want to find. For example, if you're interested in photography, type photography. If you want coding communities, try coding help. If you want updates from your area, you could search local news. The more specific your keyword is, the better your results are likely to be. After typing your search term, Telegram will start showing results that match what you entered. You may see chats, channels, bots, and groups, so take a moment to look through the options carefully. Find a group that looks relevant to your topic and click on it to preview the content. This preview step is important because it lets you check the group before joining. You can see whether the group is active, whether the posts are useful, and whether it's the kind of community you actually want to be part of. Once you've found a group you like, look at the bottom of the screen and click the Join Group button. That will add you to the group so you can start reading messages and participating. If you don't want to join yet, you can always browse a few more results first and compare them. A good tip is to try different search terms if your first one doesn't bring up the best results. For example, if photography is too broad, you could search portrait photography, camera tips, or photo editing. If coding help gives too many unrelated results, try Python help, JavaScript community, or web development group instead. Small keyword changes can make a big difference. And that's it. Once you know where the search bar is and how to preview a group before joining, finding Telegram groups becomes really straightforward. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. And I'll see you in the next one.